EagleRidge, expert kitchen remodeling in West Bountiful, Utah. EagleRidge is the trusted name in kitchen remodeling and renovation in West Bountiful, Utah, 840-87. Whether you're looking for a complete kitchen transformation or simple upgrades, we specialize in high-quality craftsmanship tailored to your needs. Our team starts with a detailed consultation to understand your vision. We then handle everything from custom cabinetry and countertops to modern lighting and smart technology integration, ensuring your kitchen is both beautiful and functional. We offer a wide range of services, including kitchen makeovers and upgrades, custom cabinetry and storage solutions, granite, quartz, and marble countertops, tile, hardwood, and vinyl flooring, smart lighting, plumbing, and appliance installation, structural modifications, wall removal, and open concept designs. With a focus on energy efficiency and modern aesthetics, we create kitchens that enhance your home's value while improving functionality. Our expert team ensures seamless execution with minimal disruption to your daily routine. Transform your kitchen with EagleRidge. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com for a free estimate.